We have all been there, staring at the webcams, heart racing, and blanking at the easiest questions. What if you could have an AI expert with whom you can practice and he knows your exact resume 24 by 7? So meet Voke, your AI powered mock interviewer platform. Whether you are a software developer, a data scientist, or product manager, Voke adapts to your role. So here's the landing page, and when you sign in to Voke, first of all you get to see this amazing dashboard. At first this dashboard can feel a little complex, but this has got all the features you need. First of all, this dashboard shows you your past interviews, your average score, your hours practiced, and a generate resume button, and an AI competency map where you can see your confidence, communication, and all the things. First, when you enter Voke, you have to click on this profile section and make your profile strength to 100%. The user have to give their GitHub URL, their Codeforces handle, their LeetCode username, and their resume. You have to upload your resume here and then get your resume verified. You also get the ATS score, keyword analysis, trends, improvements, and all that stuff. Detailed feedback, analysis history. So once you have uploaded your resume, you will come back again to the dashboard and then start the AI interview practice. So first of all, we have got the text interview feature where you can chat with the AI. AI will ask you questions and you have to answer them. And then after the interview, you will get your scorecard, your strengths, your weaknesses, and all that stuff. Second is the most amazing feature we have built. It is AI voice agent where you can directly talk to an AI agent which is personalized to take your interview. It knows your resume, your GitHub profile. He knows that what projects you have built and all that stuff, and he can ask you questions based on that, as you have given in the profile section.
Hi Priyanshu Sharma, it's great to have you here today. Can you start by telling
So,
me a little about yourself?
so as you can see, the transcription also comes and it asks me questions, then I have to answer them. So once you have completed the interview, it will tell you your conversational score, your communication, content quality, strengths, areas for improvement, and all that things you need. It is telling the score 0 as I have not given the interview and I have just clicked on cancel interview. So the next feature is video practice. If you want to test your communication skills, confidence, and your expressions during the interview, how you are sitting, how you are dressed, then all that things you can do practice in this section. You have got a target role where you can select what interview you want to practice, like software engineer, product manager, data scientist, marketing manager. So first I will select here data scientist and I will select a 5-minute interview, and when you will click on begin session, it starts my interview. So first it is telling me, tell me about yourself. So I will start recording my answer. Hey, I am Priyanshu Sharma and I am currently studying at Newton School of Technology in my first year. So as I submit the answer, it analyzes and then it moves on to the next question. So as you can see in this third question, it even asks me from my GitHub. As I have TruthLens and Visual Vortex prototype in my GitHub, so it is asking that they are made with Next.js. So can you walk me through your experience with Next.js as seen in projects like TruthLens and Visual Vortex prototype? So it is completely personalized and it asks questions within your GitHub and Codeforces LeetCode and nothing out of that. So after completing my video interview, I get this scorecard where you can see your overall performance, your role, your time limit, your question asked, and it tells the details of each and every questions you answered. It also gives your video transcript, your delivery, your body language, your confidence, what's wrong, what's good, and like in the second question. So as I have not answered much, it is giving me 0 score, and you can practice again or go back to the dashboard. So next up we have our most premium feature, which is called Elite Prep or Voc Elite. So here it is and how it works. So let me walk you through it. So this Elite mock interview combines all your features like your voice interview, your video interview, and it also gives you coding questions side by side. As I start, there will be a voice based AI assistant which will take your interview. It will also give you coding questions and you can solve them here, run code or submit. As this feature is in the beta version, so it is not working quite good right now, but we will improve it in the future. So next up we have a playground where you can solve your coding questions or do coding casually. It also has a built-in AI assistant which is powered by Voc, which analyzes your code and tells you errors, how to optimize it and all that stuff. The most amazing thing that we have our question practice challenge, where you will get 1800 plus questions from LeetCode and you can directly go from here like solve challenge, and this will land you to LeetCode, and after solving that questions you can even verify them, and when you get your questions verified, your question turns green that it is verified and it is solved by you. And here you can see that I have solved 14 easy questions, 7 medium questions and 0 hard questions, and it also tells my streak. There is also a leaderboard where you can compete with the top students. You want to practice your interviews but don't want AI to do that. So we have also got a peer match feature where you can connect with mentors globally and connect with them, and they will take your interview on our platform only. You can create sessions and accept requests that you also want to interview someone. After accepting, you can go and enter the room and you can directly connect with them like a Google Meet or a Zoom meeting, and you can practice your interviews with the help of any mentor. Next, if you want to directly apply to any job, you want to find the best jobs according to your past interviews in Voc. Like you have given so many interviews in Voc, and Voc will now analyze your all the interviews and suggest you the best suitable job for you. So the next feature is Market Pulse, and here job matches. So when you click on job matches, it gives you the best jobs for your role according to your past interviews given in Voc. It will also create a 3-month career plan for you, and also you can apply directly from Voc. So from now on, stop guessing and preparing. Land your dream job with Voc.